Did you know that 90% of electric vehicle drivers energize their cars at home or at work? Since the pandemic took center stage, most EV owners are energizing their cars with level 1 EV charging equipment, which will be plugged into a wall outlet for at least 12 to 24 hours. In a soon-to-be post-pandemic world, that amount of time is not acceptable. Our solutions reduce EV charging time by at least 50%. Dai Tech Corp markets, sells, and installs EV adoption solutions for residential applications. I am thrilled that our level 2 charging stations energize cars at home within 6 to 8 hours, not all day, not all night. The grant funding will give Dai Tech Corp an opportunity to develop the back office systems required to attract, hire, and succeed at building a sales force that will deliver record-breaking revenue targets.